If you're wondering if performance mode does impact charging time in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to locate the battery. Now if I enter it, as you can see, I'm in performance mode. It says 5 hours and 22 minutes to fully charge my device. So let's try to change it to balanced mode. And as you can see, it also stays at 5 hours and 22 minutes. And even in battery saver, we'll get 5 hours and 22 minutes the same. So the time doesn't change depending on the mode. But in the hidden performance, I would say that enabling performance mode will slightly, in maybe few minutes of time, change that charging time expectations. So if you want to quickly charge your device, I would recommend to just put it on battery saver or even ultra battery saver and just lock your device. That way it will charge the quickest. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.